Hey everybody. For those of you that are not my students or don't know me already from somewhere else, my name is Matt Williams. I am a culinary arts instructor at Blackstone Valley Tech High School in Upton, Massachusetts. So we are out of school for at least a few weeks here, and we're trying to reach out to our students and provide some sort of content. I decided I would try to make some videos for my kids utilizing my kids that I helped make. So I'm going to use Lucy and Oliver, and we're going to cook a bunch of different stuff. We're going to share it. It's meant to be fun and educational and hopefully a little bit entertaining along the way. I had a lot of requests to share it to everybody, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share these on this YouTube channel. Please feel free to ask questions or make comments below. I will do my best to answer them, but the first priority is going to be to the questions and comments from my students, which we do in a totally different place. But hope you all enjoy. Just wanted to do a quick introduction to what these next series of videos is going to be all about. All right, everyone be safe, be well.